Great fiddle in the kitchen.
Yeah?
How this here deal? So, some flour.
Yeah, some flour and some curry chicken for your breakfast, no?
Breakfast in at 2 o'clock in the evening, youth?
Yeah, first thing we're going to consume is breakfast.
Yeah, no. So now I cook on the tray in the season when I hear.
I should get some sound there.
Something them basically ready now. You see it, you know? Little vinegar in it. Yeah, man, that's about it. Okay, guys. Welcome back to our next vlog. Yeah, Sunday here. Yeah, I did some early morning breakfast, some salt mackerel and some boiled food. Just stay tuned and so I go on, man. Some sweet potato, some yam, banana, some Irish. Yeah, man. Who know this? Yeah, man. Some salt mackerel. Yeah, man. I'll get this ready now. Boil out some of the salt content out of it. Yeah, man, because who knows salt mackerel knows it. It's very, very salt, guys. You have to just boil it and get rid of some of the salt out of it. Yeah, man. Stick and stay and watch what I'm doing, guys. Okay, guys. After salt mackerel on the fire now. Yeah, man. I eat about 2 boil. Boil out some of the salt content. And then you watch how I prepare it. So stay tuned. Alright, guys. I get some water already now. Put on some boiled food. And some dumplings, some banana, yam, sweet potato, Irish. Well works, man. Storm blow, but we still have a little food, isn't it? Man. Alright, guys, as you can see, the pot up on the fire now, so I get some salt tonight. Cover it down, boil up. We're gonna need some flour. Yeah, man. Try going now. Flour. Yeah, now. Yeah, it's this. Let's put some flour now. Yeah, man, I mean, you wanna today. So now, if I hold the camera and I'll try to everything with one hand. So that's what I go on. I rest that this a bit. Alright, hold on. Put some cornmeal in now. Yeah, guys. Look at cornmeal. Yeah, man. Put some salt in it, you know. And then we mix it, so stay tuned and watch what going on, guys. Little salt. Yeah, guys, not a whole heap, you know, salt. Oh, salting already. Not too healthy neither. Yeah, man. Mix up this now. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Sunday morning salt mackerel with boiled food. Yeah, man. Alright. Alright, guys, as you can see, I'm going to hold the phone and a video and I mix up the flour, so when it don't need up, I tune in back. Yeah. See what the finished product look, you know. Yeah, man. Do a well farm out and thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Sketch work with me and drop them in the pot. Alright, guys. So salt mackerel boil off. I'm going to throw off the water here now. Get some fresh one and eat a second boil, so stay tuned. Yeah, guys, look at this. The bubbles are come up now, so you know, say flour soon gone in a pot, you know. But you know, I have the next pot here, so need some different water for boil the yam, Irish, banana, and everything. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, basically I have to put down the tripod because you need some flour, you know, it take 2 hands to need flour. Yeah, man, open the so I go on still. Yeah, man, roll them and put them in the pot quick and fast. Alright, well, this one now. indoors cooking at the moment, guys. You know, say rather than outdoors still, but a Sunday morning, you know. But maybe for dinner time, I catch up a little cool stove out the door. Yeah, man. I couldn't see I go on some jerk chicken and some red rice. Typical Sunday vibes. Alright, guys. Dumpling and done. Make it know. Yeah, man. Hold on, show you how I go on. Hold on, the guys. See there? Alright, guys, I'm gonna peel them ground food around. Yeah, man, so the pot almost ready now. Peel them around to get them in boiling water. Yeah, man. This is some Irish. Irish, guys. Alright, look on these guys are quite big. Sweet potato, giant out. Well big. Alright. Yeah, guys, look at this yam. Yam big too, you know, but I leave piece still, I cut piece off of it. And put on piece for next day. And then think I go get clear out as I don't know. Yeah, man, so I leave piece. Peel a piece here. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, real yellow yam, man. Yeah, banana time. What I look? Roast Michelle, you know, saying, no? Yeah, man, I best set a banana, you know. Yeah, that man. Great roast Michelle. So, man, it's here, guys. So I'm finished peel all of them. Yeah, man, I'm showing it again. I pot just to can stay, guys. Yeah, guys, it's here now. Hot water time for them. Yeah, whole heap of ground food on it on there, guys. Put the arm up. Catch up, babes. Catch a floor of them bubbling, though. Yeah, man. Bubble down well nice. Alright, guys. See it here now. Take this out, mackerel. Clean up here now. Pick him up, take out all the bone and them thing there. Season it up, back for up on the fire. Whole heap of honey and sweet pepper. Yeah, man. Just stay tuned. It's a piece of bone, eh? Most people love it in the salt mackerel. Don't know why not, I love it so. Clean it up here now, guys. Take out all of them bone there. Yeah, man. Guys, see it here. Cut them up. Yeah, man. Actually, that's a nice one. Actually, see you, guys. Yeah, seafood butter come along there. Guys, dumpling pot there. Dumpling them basically ready now. Alright guys, I get some oil in another pot here now. Little oil. Alright. Yeah man, that can work. When it's hot, now go see short time, so stick and stay. Remember guys, I'm telling you, so once you know cook, I'm not throwing a season when I hear. Alright guys, I'm gonna get in the salt mackerel now. Salt mackerel. Alright. Little black pepper. Black pepper guys. A really nice close up in my pot, man. You can taste the flavors in this. Yeah, man, when you cook salt mackerel, guys, I'm going to show you the trick ingredients now. If you bring up the buzz tonight. Yeah, man, see it, yeah. See this vinegar? Yeah, man. A little tip in it, bring up the buzz tonight, pot, man. Little vinegar in it. Yeah man, that's about it. Yeah man, I'm gonna get going. Sit man, wait one little thing now. Yeah man, just stick and stay guys, still not finish yet. Wish you guys could have smelled this right now. Yeah man, I really wish you guys could have smelled this. Yeah man. Nice salt mackerel, nice one there. Out there guys. Pretty. Alright guys, see it here? Finish cooking now. Next time you see it, man, pull your tin. Yeah guys, this is a finished product. Nice healthy breakfast. And I can't ring out for fun, guys. I'm going to help me until do some concrete work right after this. Just stay tuned, guys. Yeah guys, see that? From the kitchen to some construction work, you know. Well wet. But later I'm going to check in it, Christian and burn another pot, so just stay tuned for that. Yeah, see it, huh? Board are going to load on back. Great fiddly in the kitchen.
Yeah?
What this here deal? So, some flour.
Yeah, some flour and some curry chicken for your breakfast, you know?
Breakfast in at 2 o'clock in the evening, youth?
Yeah, first thing we're going to consume is our breakfast.
Jano. Watch here, guys. All whole pot up and running already. Nah, they have to do it still, guys. Come over. I have to do some olive and casting. Two, somebody load it alone?
You join
Can't join, so I'm dirty and stay a little casting over me.
Yeah, you said answer to it. But you can't give us some. You know sell it?
You don't know that already, bad man? Watch here, guys. Who know that I am? What I am name, Chris? St. Vincent? Yeah, St. Vincent, guys. Yeah.
$1 sign, you know? All improvements.
Yeah.
Hard working man. Don't know. Expect to hold this machine. You don't know what to think.
Yeah, man. Upliftment, man.
Still, you know, I know what to do.
Yeah. It's a long time I ride bike and anything there.
Yes, man.
Yeah, I mean.
In the 90s, I run the thing, man. I want a Nissan one already, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. 5 speed, man.
Yeah.
I leg about that bike up the road the other day and I must go.
Yeah.
Dollars, man, you drop it. I said, no, man.
Yeah.
As long as you see me catch the one there, my friend. The second is up there.
Yeah.
And the third is over there.
Yeah.
And I find everything around here. Down there, but I come in the hill.
Yeah.
I come off of the hill pass when I turn over the car. They must say brake then I hold out front and the back brake. So do so.